Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. Here I am showing how to download XCircuit software for your PC. At first, open the Google and search XCircuit, and after searching you can find the official website of XCircuit. Click here and open the XCircuit official website and choose the download option here and scroll down. You can find the option Windows native. Okay, yes, this is the option XCircuit for Windows native. Click here. Then scrolling down and click this option self-installable executable. Yes, and your download will be started and show the download file. Okay, the download is complete. This is a very small size file. Okay, you can see here this is a zip file, so extract the file. Yes, okay, wait a minute. Yes, extract. As extract is completed now, so this is the file and this is the XCircuit setup file. Now click double tap and you can say that installation will be started and you click yes. Okay, yes. Sorry, and you can say here in next, click I agree, and you can choose your path where you want to install the XCircuit. I am choose the C drive program file and install it. Okay, installation will be started. Wait a minute. Okay, installation is completed and you click finish. You can see that the XCircuit will be open, and here you can draw block diagram, and you also see here that many component of electronics like NOT gate, NAND gate, AND gate, and OR gate, etc. Okay, so next day I am showing how to use of XCircuit. So thank you and like and subscribe.